How to fix your Stash app transaction declined repeatedly. So in here, the very first thing that I recommend you guys do is confirm the funds are fully settled and not just pending. In your Stash personal portfolio or your debit account, ensure the available settlement funds, right? So after doing that here, the second thing that you can do is ensure that your Stash stock back card is unlocked inside the app's card management tab. So after doing all of these, if it's still not working, then the very last and final solution that I can give you guys is simply call the customer service of Stash. So you can simply visit their website, or you can find the customer service online very easily. All you need to do is one Google search. You'll be able to find the number. On their number, you should simply call them and tell them your exact issue, like what you are exactly facing, and I'm so sure that they will be able to help you out with I'm so sure that they will actually be able to help you out with your problem. So on the website, you can get their number right here. So yeah, that is all you need to do. If you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below.